Hi, I'm Tyler. We're going to be doing some problems related to marginal product. And make sure that you check, because our notation is probably a little different. I use QL for quantity of labor, and then MPL for marginal product of labor, but that will probably be different. A lot of people use a lot of different things. So check that before you use these notations. So here we have our marginal product curve. And so what can we say about this? So at quantity of labor equals 1. What can we say? So at 1 here, we can say that our marginal product is equal to 100. And what that means is that when you add one laborer from 0, you get 100 product because of what that laborer has done. So also at this, when you have one laborer, you can say that our total product is also 100, because what it is you get 100 from adding that first laborer, so you have 100 total. So our total product is 100. Also, since we know the total product and we know the quantity of labor, we can say that our average product is equal to our total product divided by our quantity of labor, which equals 100. And since we only have one labor, divided by 1, so average product also equals 100 at one laborer. So just to recap that, at quantity of labor equals 1, which is this point right here, our marginal product of labor equals 100, our total product of labor equals 100, and our average product of labor equals 100. So what else can we say about this graph? So marginal product, what it is the slope of the total product curve. So whenever the marginal product of labor is positive, it means that with an extra laborer, you're adding on total product. Total product is going up. However, when marginal product becomes negative, you're taking away product, so total product goes down with the increase of labor. So how you find that point, and then also when it switches from positive to negative, that's the maximum of total product. So if you want to maximize total product, you want to produce at the point where marginal product of labor goes from positive to negative and will equal 0. So where is that point on this graph? So right here, marginal product of labor equals 0 between 7 and 8. So between 7 and 8 workers, marginal product goes from positive to negative. So there is a maximum of total product between 7 and 8 workers, because once you get between 7 and 8, it starts pulling it down, and then, so when you're going up and then it starts pulling it down, that's the maximum of the total product curve. So again, total product reaches a maximum between 7 and 8 at this point right here. Now that we've got this marginal product curve all figured out, what can we say about the average product curve? So it starts here at 100, just like the marginal product curve, like we found out before. So at quantity 1, average product is 100. So it's going to go up, and when the marginal product curve is above this curve, the average product curve will increase. So we know that it's increasing, and then it gets to the point where it equals, and then after that, marginal product is less than average product. Then it starts decreasing. So there is a maximum of the average product curve right there at wherever this is, it doesn't really matter. But between 1 and 2, we can say that the marginal product curve lies above the average product curve. So that's a quick overview of average and marginal product. Hope that helped, and if you have any more questions, feel free to come to the Econ Tutoring Center at BA 211.